Hello and welcome back to Wrap It Up Wednesdays on Adventures with Piccadilly. Today I'm going to show you how I create the look of an underscarf or undercap to go with a veil style headscarf without having to actually bring an extra piece of equipment with me. So I'm going to be using a Israeli tickle from Rapunzel over a Rapunzel shaper. And so what I do, so the goal with this is to create as like clean a look as possible, because it's really not the focus wrap. It's just protecting kind of your hair and whatnot so that it doesn't so that it isn't visible under the veil. So what I'm gonna do is fold in a triangle and then take the long edge and line it up with the top of my shaper. You can do this without a shaper, that's fine. I prefer the way it looks underneath with a shaper, but if you don't have one, that's no problem. You can just do it without. So I put the tails to equal, and then with this back point, I'm gonna wanna tuck it under. So at first, to get it out of the way, I just fold it up onto the top of my head. That way it's contained and I'm not fighting against it as I tie these two tails. So then I'm going to leave a little bit of a pocket, fold the third point underneath, and tighten. So what I did was I did my knot, left a pocket in the knot, I didn't tighten it all the way, and then I brought the point under, making sure to capture all the little loose pieces, and then tightened it once it's all underneath the scarf. From there, you can leave the tails if you want, but what I like to do is to just simply twist each of them around and tuck, and the other side, around and tuck, and there you have it. You have a perfectly smooth under piece that is then a great basis for really a ton of different styles, but for a veil style in particular. So with this Can't Catch Me scarf also from Rapunzel, I'm just gonna lay it on and you can wear it. The beauty of doing an underscarf is that you can have your veil a little bit further back, which I like. You can do it over your shoulders, you can do a one, or you can bring it and catch it just a little bit underneath. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just tucking the corners just a teeny tiny bit and laying it loose. And that is a veil with an underscarf, or undercap made out of a scarf. You can put bobby pins here, really anything, hijab magnets, to get this to stay, but it's actually not terribly unsecure, so I wouldn't be too worried about it. Thanks. Please comment in the comments below with some of your favorite styles or how you make these things work. I'd love for you to like and subscribe. Check me out again next week. Thanks.